Hello traders, I hope you are all doing fine and I hope you are making profits out of my analysis. So today again I have bought uh, so today bought you five more stocks for tomorrow's intraday trading session. So so let us get started with the video. Okay, so the first stock is a Ramco Systems. We see here, so tomorrow we have Infosys result, and everyone is expecting good results. And also, if you see here, uh, Ramco system is kind of in a narrow range now. So, so tomorrow it might give a decisive breakout either in the upside or in the downside. So, please mark the levels. The first, if the stock goes below 615.80, we're going to sell the stock and targets will be 603.30. And if the stock crosses 620.40, we'll be going to buy this and the targets will be 636 at 0.75. So keep an eye here. And we see here stochastic RSI is in oversold territory. So tomorrow there might be, a good momentum in the stock on the upper side. Okay. The next stock is KPIT Tech. KPIT Tech, a similar thing here. It's kind of in a range, and this trend line is kind of a broken. And so tomorrow, what we have to see is, so we are not going to buy this immediately. We will be waiting for this to break 250 levels. Once 250 levels are broken, so you will be getting a targets somewhere around 1 second. So the first targets for you is somewhere around 261. Okay. Oh, okay. So this looks very big. Okay. We'll just drag it till here. Okay. So the first targets for this is 258. Okay. Keep an eye because tomorrow I strongly feel tomorrow IT stocks will perform well. So let's hope for the best. Okay, let's move on to the next stock. It's Lincoln Pharma. Lincoln Pharma, it's kind of in a very good uptrend, and at the last minutes we saw some of a sell-off. However, there is a strong support at 375 levels. So please mark the no trading zones. No trading zone is 378.65 and 372.60. So we will not be taking any trade in this zone. So if it crosses 378.65, we're gonna buy, and our targets will be 390.35. And if it crosses 372.60 below, then we'll be gonna sell that. And as a part of profit booking, we'll be getting the profits till 363.95. That is your target. Okay, so keep an eye on this stock as well. So the next stock is IEX, Indian Energy Exchange. So here the stock, gave a good rally at the end of the day. If you see at 2:30, it kind of a volume addition here. If you see a spike in the volume, so we are expecting a strong up move tomorrow, and also one moment, let me show you one interesting thing. So the thing is, this is the all-time high for the stock. So 412.75 is the all-time high. So tomorrow what we have to do is we have to simply see if the stock crosses 412.75, we're gonna buy this, and we'll be getting a targets of 423.20. If this breaks 408 levels, so again there will be a downward movement, and the next support for the stock is somewhere around 400, and even it might go till 391 or 393. So keep an eye in this stock as well. So I don't think so it will come, I mean it will go down, or it will break these levels. So tomorrow we are bullish on this stock, so it will go up. Okay. Okay, next stock is NOSIL. NOSIL, this has broken its all-time high. If I go to daily time frame, see here, daily time frame, there was a resistance somewhere around here. So this was broken. Okay, so now the stock is in a very good uptrend, and so you can mark the no trading zone. No trading zone is 264.90, 268.70. Okay, so this is a no trading zone for us. So tomorrow we have to see if it crosses 268.70 level, we're gonna buy, and our targets for this is 276.55. And if the stock breaks 264 levels, so we're gonna sell. However, be careful because there are multiple resistance here. See, this is a big resistance at 1.17. The stock might come here and again reverse. So I don't recommend shorting this stock. If you are shorting, then take small profits. Exit at, if you see any reversal sign at this 261.55 levels. So, or you will be getting a targets of somewhere around 2%, that is 259. Okay. So these are the 5 stocks. And so tomorrow my focus will be on IT stocks, because I have seen the pattern, this kind of pattern everywhere. So see, this narrow range patterns in all maximum of the IT stocks, they are in a narrow range. So they tomorrow they will be, due to Infosys results, they will be giving a good upside momentum. That is what I feel. So let us see what happens. Okay, so you just keep your view bullish, and let's hope for the best that this IT stocks perform well. Okay, because all the sectors, if you see from different, different sector, everything has performed, and from past 1 or 2 weeks, IT sector has been a kind of a silent mode. So tomorrow it might make a noise. Let's see. I wish you all the best for tomorrow's trading session, and please like, share, subscribe, and share with your friends, and help us grow. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.